Chapter 3: Audit Function and Internal Control. We are looking at the internal check. Internal check, they are control which ensure that the work of one person is independently proved by that of another person. Its aim is to minimize the risk of fraud and error by creating procedure for the prompt detection and prevention of such fraud and error. When looking at the internal check, we look at the main objective of internal check. We all know that the main objective of internal check is to minimize the risk of fraud and error by creating procedure for the prompt detection and prevention of such fraud and error. E.g., having two signatories for checks, or segregating the preparation and payment of wages, opening of mail by person independently of the cash